So would the new iPhone 2022, would it actually fit a 7 and 8 case? Let's find out in this video review and testing. So in case you're wondering, does the 7 and 8 case, would that fit the iPhone? So what I did, I went ahead and I bought the UAG, which is the Urban Armor Gear, and I got the Ragged Protection Pathfinder series, and this one is for iPhone SE, but it really is a case for iPhone 8 and 7. The question is this going to fit the SE? I'm not talking about the original SE, I'm talking about the one for 2020 and 22. So first off, let's see one that fits for the 2020. Voila! That was magic. You can see it fits right off the box for the 2020 edition, the SE. Yes, it is an Apple phone. You can see the red edition over here. Now the biggest question is this gonna fit the 2022? Although it fits the 2020. Maybe there were some specs changes. Maybe it's not going to fit it anymore. Or maybe you just want to see it actually fit. So I'm going to be doing the same exact testing here because I got another phone. To prove it to you, I got two. We have two phones. 2020, 2022. So what I'm doing, opening up, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Lots of cool videos over here, especially the shoe reviews. Really check them out. We have the case over here, which is the UAG. And yeah, this is one of the best cases out there. Military style looking, rugged, and protected. Now we have the phone here. And now I'm going to be putting both of them together without actually making this phone a fool. I don't want that to happen. And I'm just simply slimming it right in the box, putting it in. Just going to show you how. Voila! It's in here. Like magic, it fit in. Unbelievable. Now you're probably wondering, well, it fit in, would it get out? It's one thing to get it in, it's another thing to get this whole thing out. Well, guess what? I just got it out. See? It fits. Like magic. So should you get and save money if you already have this 7 or 8 case? Yeah, you can just find a 7 or 8 case and use it for the 2020 and the 2022. And no need to get the Apple case. You can get so much better and superior cases from UAG or any other company out there that sells 7 or 8 cases. And it fits just like magic. So with that being said, the UAG case, which I have used for quite some time, this thing is built like a tank. It is amazing. It's not the question if you should get it. It is a question of when you should get it. And my saying is get it now. Because the 7 or 8 cases, those cases that come for this phone, they will stop making them soon. And as soon as they stop making them, you don't have the stash of those awesome cases, you're going to be paying triple the money to get the same thing. Because this case saved my phone thousands of times. You know how many times I drop my phone just like that? It just drops. on the floor, on the ground. Guess what? Nothing happened. Not a crack. Not a crack on any of the screen. Nothing. The phone is in mint shape and condition. And if you all want to see how long I have had the original 220, take a look. Not a scratch on the back of this. That is amazing, my friends. UEG cases might be a little bit expensive. But you know what is expensive? It is buying a brand new phone or paying for phone protection, which I never pay for. Why you need phone protection? When the case does its job like magic. Thank you so much for watching this channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're going to be getting one of those cases, let me know down below. Of course, subscribe, and like this video. I want to see you in the next episode of the Geek Tech Show. You never know what is the next thing that's going to be showing up on this channel.